Hello friends, let us make a DIY Christmas mistletoe. So to make this Christmas mistletoe, you need red and green strips cut in this kind of shape. You need a lot of them. Now take a cardboard circle with a ring traced on it and start pasting these strips in a pattern. You can make the circle a little bigger according to your choice. After pasting all the strips, cut the circle inside. Now I did use some pearl beads and pasted them alternatively on the red strips. You can decorate it as your choice. Now on the green strips I decided to paste golden or orange beads. Now I decided to paste a blue flower on the colors which were clashing. Press it down. Now I took a black marker and colored in the gaps. After coloring all the gaps, I decided to paste a red bead on the flower. Now I used some golden paint and outlined the triangles which I colored black. Now I made some polka dots on the borders of each flap. Our mistletoe is complete. You can decorate it as you like, but mine turned out pretty good. Thanks for watching everyone. I hope you would make this beautiful mistletoe which is quite pretty and easy. Merry Christmas. Bye bye everyone.